Hello, and welcome to the closing meeting with the European Art of Taste. My name is Bianca Bonifacio from CSO Italy, and I'm going to introduce to you our promotional campaign, and especially the Italian companies that participate in the program. But before we start our presentation, I would like to thank one last time Asia Freight Logistica On for hosting our events on its international platform. Well, what is the European Art of Taste? For those who haven't followed us on Wednesday and yesterday, we have a short video to show you. Well, nice, isn't it? If you wish to know further details, you will find them on our website, europeanartoftaste.com. Now it is time to meet some companies that support the promotional campaign. Today, we will focus again on kiwi fruit. Let's start with Mr. Kevin O. Young, Asia Market Manager at RK Growers, And after, we will meet Mr. Nicola Borgatti from the Frozen Fruit Export Department at Mazzoni Group. So now, first let's meet Mr. Kevin O. Young from RK Growers. Hello, Kevin.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kevin, and I'm representing RK Growers SRL from Italy, and my position is Asian Market Manager. And my responsibility is to open and new markets for the company in Asia. And RK, just to give you guys an introduction of RK Growers, we are a company that grow, pack, and export. And our aim is to produce high quality fruit and vegetable to our customer worldwide. And we invest heavily in the latest fruit varieties and the art of packaging and storage facilities. We also invest heavily in advanced supply chain management technologies with certifications to ensure that the fruit that we deliver to our customer is safe and in good qualities. So last year, our overall shipment abroad is over 125,000 tons of fruits. If we include industrial processing fruits, that would be over 150,000 tons of fruits around the world. And we ship to many different countries in North America, in South America, in basically everywhere around the world. And in order for us to do our job to ensure quality and proper management, everything from farm to table is fully managed by us. There are different varieties that we do. We do kiwi, apple, grapes. That's the main ones that we do. We also have berries recently and also melons from Brazil. For kiwi, one of the main varieties that we do is the Dory varieties besides the green Hayward. It's a project that's been for the past 15 years. A lot of investment have been done by the Dory Consortium, and it's been commercialized in the past 3 to 4 years, and it's doing quite well. And right now in the market, there are only a couple of yellow varieties that's available, and there is the Sesame Sun Gold, and then there's the Gin Gold from Gin Gold, and then there's Sorelli, and last is the new Dory varieties. And the variety itself is extremely versatile because its average weight is 100 grams, and the shape of the Dory is extremely pleasant to the Asian market, especially because of its elongated shape. And the bricks level is also very high. It's between 16 to 18 in bricks, which is very sweet. And the dry matter is extremely high also. And last but not least, it's the intense yellow color compared to other yellow kiwi. So we hope that this variety will continue to thrive in the Asian market. And we've been working with a lot of different partners to promote. And 2 years ago, I think 2 years ago, we started a project with, we started cooperation in China with Dole China to bring this fruit to the Chinese consumer. And it has been doing quite well because we spent a lot of effort on promoting these varieties. Of course, RK Growers is not just on the, like I said before, we do a lot of different types of fruits, and it's not just kiwi. Kiwi is one of them. And in terms of apple, recently, a few years ago, again, we have started this joint venture with 2 other very reputable companies in the industry. And 3 of us together, we represent almost 400,000 tons of Italian apple. And this new joint venture is called OmniFresh. And it's between RK Growers, VIP, and VIP Valvenosta, and also Rivora. And we have very distinguished varieties that the Asian market likes. And our strategy for this specific joint venture is to ship club varieties that the Asian market wants to the market in Asia. So for the past 2 years, we've done extremely well, especially with the Ambrosia apple, which is an exclusive varieties that we hold in Europe. And this apple is extremely sweet, and it's been doing quite well because of its sweet and crunchiness. And of course, we continue to invest heavily, like I said before, in the new varieties such as the yellow, which is a variety from a Japanese variety. It's called the Shinano Gold, but we brand it yellow. And then of course there's Kanzi and also Crimson Snow. And besides these two category, we also participate in Ara. And Ara is a seedless variety, which is doing extremely well in Europe. And we hope that this product will continue to thrive in Europe. And also eventually we will be looking at other Asia market when the volumes is available. And just last season, we started something new, and I think this would be something interesting for other markets in the future. It's the cherries, and we invested a lot of money on the packing facility and the packing line. So hopefully, when the volume, because this season the volume is relatively low, maybe around 5,500 tons, I think. So we still need time to build that up, but it's something exciting and that we're looking forward, especially understanding the demand for the cherries in the Asia market. And we believe in the future, this would be something very interesting for this market. And of course, with all this said, we have also a lot of the certifications which will be presented upon request, and a lot of them are the international standards like IFS, the meter, BRC, Global Gap. So that's why we're able to enter a lot of the different markets and receive very good feedback from all our customers. And hopefully we can meet some of you in the Asia Fruit Logistica, and we're happy also to work with CSO in this in promoting the European fruits to people in Asia and also around the world. And if you have any question, feel free to contact us. We're RK Growers SRL. Before we finish this presentation, I believe we have a video that will be played, and hopefully all of you will enjoy the video. And again, like I said, if you have any question, feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much, Kevin. Now I would like to introduce Mr. Nicola Borgatti from Mazzoni Group.
Hi, everybody. My name is Nicola Borgatti. I'm the director of a company belonging to Mazzoni Group. My company is the frozen part of Mazzoni Group. Mazzoni Group has been established in 1950. The turnover is around 300 million euros. Mazzoni Group is dealing mainly with fruits from A to Z. What does it mean? That we have the several departments, starting from the R&D. We develop and create vegetable and fruits varieties. And then after we develop, we have a nursery department to grow the plants. We produce around 150 million plants, mainly strawberry plants, apple plants, pear plants, cherries, asparagus. And then we have the agriculture part of our company. We have around 10,000 hectares in few countries, Italy, mainly Poland, Romania, and Greece. Then we have the fresh department. We deal mainly with supermarkets, and around 70–80% of our sales are overseas, mainly in Europe, going on also in developing also the sales outside Europe. And then we have the company I'm dealing with, so it's the frozen department of the company. And then I will explain later what we do and let's say the particular topics of our company. Mazzoni Group has several center of distribution all around Europe. The head office is in Italy, but we have, as I told you before, a company in Poland. We produce there strawberry plants and cereals and strawberries. Plus, we have offices in France and Spain. We have a company in Romania producing cereals, and we have a brand new company in Greece producing kiwis and with a packing station there. So let us watch the video concerning our group.
Noi di Mazzoni, con 60 anni di attività alle spalle, siamo leader nel settore dell'agroalimentare e possiamo vantare una filiera ortofrutticola integrata. Oltre alla produzione, ci occupiamo di conservazione, confezionamento e commercializzazione di prodotti ortofrutticoli freschi, convenzionali e biologici. Il controllo di tutta la filiera è garanzia di qualità e salubrità, due elementi che abbiamo a cuore, così come la sostenibilità in ogni suo aspetto. Tuteliamo i territori di produzione e garantiamo condizioni di lavoro eque. Prestiamo massima cura all'efficienza degli impianti, al fine di ridurre gli sprechi salvaguardando l'ambiente. Riserviamo una grande attenzione al packaging, investendo in ricerca di nuove soluzioni e macchinari a favore di imballi sostenibili in cartone, home compost e RPET. Il rispetto dell'ambiente e della salute dei consumatori sono il nostro impegno quotidiano, che noi di Mazzoni, da 3 generazioni, garantiamo sul campo per dare sempre il meglio.
Concerning the frozen department I'm dealing with, it has been established around 40 years ago by the son of Luigi Mazzoni Gualtiero. And now we produce 30% of what we sell, but the plans are to achieve 60–70% of production in Italy of what we sell all around the world. We have several lines in the frozen department. We deal with large-scale industry, food processing industry for sure, medium-size food processing industry, and then we have a line of food service, and we have a line for supermarkets. It's a growing business now. Let's say in the past, supermarkets were dealing only with frozen vegetables. Now, more and more, they are looking for something for good and with good variety for several months in a year, and with certification, analysis, and all this stuff. Inside, as I told you, we started producing also fruit purees. They go to food service market, mainly 5-star hotel, and we export to around 30 countries. And we produce pulps using prized varieties and like some French varieties of apricot, strawberry species, and also Italian varieties for sure, because we are 100% Italian. And then we have a particular product we produce. It's shells, like apple shells, pear shells, peach shells. We sell all the production outside Italy. They fill with pastry products or ice cream, and they sell to restaurants, high quality restaurants. And important thing, we have all the main certifications. They give us the possibility to work with groups, big groups all around the world, like BRC, EFS, and we have also the kosher for US, Israel, and Canada. We have the halal for Muslim countries, but mainly Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. Plus, we have the certification for organic, because also organic is a trend, a worldwide trend, growing year by year. Another interesting thing that is for fresh and for frozen is the garlic. We produce garlic. We have more than 100 hectares of garlic, and also for the other products of the company, we use our supply chain as a plus, because let's say garlic is from A to Z. So from the developing of the plants, we sell it fresh, and we freeze, and we deal with food processing industry, but we are starting dealing with food service field. So a big group growing and looking for export more and more. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Nicola. So that's all for this year. Thank you everybody for attending our webinars. We look forward to seeing you next year at our booth at the European Art of Taste at a physical Asia Fruit Logistica. Bye-bye from Italy and stay safe.